Hello, and welcome to Power Sessions by Vanessa. So, I did alert y'all that before earlier today, I started a video and it was interrupted because it was cut off. And so, I just wanted to finish that video now live on my break. And I hope you ladies are doing well. Welcome to all of you. So, we were discussing points of why maybe we do deal with anger in situations. The whole theme of our series is restoration, regrouping and restoring and recovering it all. So we're going to be discussing during this series how anger surfaces, whether it's subliminally, indirectly, or if it's situational anger. But we will pick this apart until everyone gets a revelation. We will seal this covenant that we all are together. We're standing together, that this is a joint effort. It's not just about me. This has never have been about me. And so I want to make sure that you understand, I know this is not about me. So I'm here to help others to deal and to break free from these different barriers that we deal with. And unless someone really that has experienced it really shares with us how to overcome it, then how are we going to know? And so God is a God of repetition. He's a confirming God. So I wanted to just backdrop again. If you're watching all the videos and following me, you'll know that I briefly mentioned that I have dealt with anger, and that God has helped me and has delivered me from a lot of mental blockages and situational anger, right? And how to recognize it and how to go ahead and stop something from happening that's critical and could hurt you or hurt someone else, right? So anger comes from misappropriated emotions, or it could come from misaligned relationships. So over the next few weeks, we will be discussing not necessarily why you're angry, but the overview is just, why do I carry anger? So the first step is recognizing, right, that we may have an imbalance in our spirit, more so. And so there could be disruption. So during this webcast, what we're going to do is I want you to really just let down your guard. Okay. Understand that God is going to be doing the healing. And the more that I used to fight this thing, the worse it would get. The situation would get, or it would not pan out. So there are some situations that causes us anger, right? Some is controlled and some is out of our control. Sorry about that, you guys. My phone don't want to sit up. It don't want to record. I must be doing something right? So just to finish up today, and I will be back. So basically, the more I used to fight the fact that I had a issue with anger, the more pain I would experience or recognize from trying to hold on to it instead of just letting it go and let God heal, right? So the cliche, let go, let God. But take note that this is actual declaration, an affirmation, right? Let go and let God. So that we're not the sum total of our daily battles. We'll be discussing that more in detail. So we'll actually list some ideas and list some areas that we do have daily battles in. That will be our next discussion. And then I want you guys to engage and tell me if you've experienced this, and then maybe how you have overcome. And so that is, again, each one teach one, reach one, right? So we want to make sure that we are just sharing our experiences, because by sharing your experience, you could heal somebody, you could break somebody free from being in bondage mentally or any of that nature, So I thank you for joining me briefly on my little break. And I will see you a little bit later this week. And we will continue our discussion on restoring, recouping, and regathering and recovering it all. And also specifically on how to deal with anger, situational anger, indirectly and directly. And so I look forward to seeing you again soon. And have a great day. Bye.